Good morning, everyone. It's Marianne from MC Beaters on this cold and not yet snowy day. We're waiting for the snow. So I am making some cabbage soup in my crock pot. And I wanted to show you guys what I have been up to. I have been making ornaments and ornaments and more ornaments for my craft show. So the ones I love, oh my god, I love this. These are little llamas. So I made 6 llamas. And I made fancy unicorns. So what I did was, I got a glass ball. I cut out some felt ears. And then I made, with clay, I made the horn. And then stuck some neon looking silly pom-poms on them. And then I made some more. This is the same, nope, this is an iridescent ball. I love this one. And I bought a boa, I think that's what it's called. And I just cut it and I wrapped it around. I cut out the ears and I made it's called ice blue horn with gold wrapped around, and I baked it. Same stuff that I use my memory bracelets for. Excuse me. Okay, and I have my snow ladies and snowmen. Here's my snowman. I love my snowmen. They're so cute. Oh, they're stuck together. Hold on. Hold on. Okay. Snowman. And what I did with this is I used a sock. I bought a sock from the dollar store, and I hot glued it on, then painted the face, put some ribbon at the end, and there is your snowman and snow woman. Hold on. I have to put some excuse me, little hangers, what are they called? Hooks. I haven't done that yet. Okay, and here is the snow woman. Same thing, sock and some ribbon. And I made a few Hello Kitties. Hello Kitties. There's one. Okay. Hello Kitty. Painted face. Then just had a sock. Glued it on. And this is my #1 favorite one. This one I made up on my own. The hair is funky. But I made a lot of it. Like I put a lot of hair on it. And painted the face. I painted the ball. This was originally a white ball. And I painted it flesh color. And then I, a couple of layers of flesh color. And then I painted the face. And hot glue some hair on her. And I'm only going to make, well, you want to laugh? I have no room. Do you know where they're hanging from? Ready? My chandelier right now. Okay? When I say I don't have any room, I seriously don't have any room. So they're faceless right now, but they are all ready for my face painting. Yep, that's where they are. Okay? And I'm not new to this. I made this Raggedy Ann. Oh God, back in the 90s, I believe. Yeah. I like Raggedy Ann. I made a couple of them for my mom. I think I sold a couple also. This tree is all handmade. My dad on top. I just took a picture and put him in a ball. And everything is hand done. This was done in, I think, 1980 something. No, 90 something. I hand painted that. I have Cookie Monster here. This is my cupcake ornament. My sheep. I'm selling at the craft show. Also, my daughter made this years and years ago. These are new. I had these little pigs and I got these from the dollar store. These little ornaments, and I stuck them in and they fit. I didn't have to glue or anything. I just screwed on the bottom and they fit. So I have farmer pig and little pig, his wife. These are funny. I made these a while ago too. These are fish. Okay? One's missing an earring. But these are my fish. No, I'll get another one. Here's a fish. Here's my fish. Look how funny. I made big, big, big lips out of clay. This was done a long time ago. Oh, 2012. Not too long. But there's some here that I've done God when I was a kid. Here's another one. Happy Holidays 2005. Here's a Hello Kitty I did. Hi, Lucy. Oh, my shoes. You don't want to see my shoes. Okay, and here's another fish. And some snowmen. That's it. My mother made this out of a big pine cone, and she put a horn, which is made out of a golf tee, ribbon for wings, and an acorn hot glued to the top. Okay, this I painted, oh gosh, 1991, I believe. No, 94. These were ornaments that you could buy unpainted. They're like ceramic. And I painted that, gosh, so long ago. I had a lot of patience. Look how little those eyes are. Jeez, and the eyelashes. I don't know how I did it. Okay. Oh, and this on top is my mom made an angel out of, I don't know what that's called. Is it raffia? I made my wreaths with them. I don't remember what it's called. So she used I think a wooden head, a pipe cleaner, and she put pearls around it. And somehow how she put it together, I don't know. There's the wings, the body, and I guess the dress part. There we go. Okay. My handmade tree. And my ornaments. Got a lot of them. And I'm still making them. Okay, bye for now, everyone. Have a wonderful and keep warm Sunday.